Hello guys, this is Mandra and welcome to your another tutorial on Smack Streams, and in this video we're going to take a look at another challenge on Hackxor. So this is the second challenge, so let me confirm you, asset management. So this is the second challenge. Thanks for your help investigating my colleague. So the first challenge is to find the bank balance of his colleague. So at this precise moment I can't able to pay you, so you can find out the account details in my previous job. We have already found that. So when it comes to security features, quantity over quality, so favors quantity over quality, so you can expect to trip some defenses, but you should be able to bypass with a little effort. So let's try this. So the first challenge we will get the login details of his. So we are trying to use his account to our account. So let's do this. So first school and one to Bristol Grammar School. So this also covers so the thing is balance transfer. So transfer amount $500, that would be better. So this is my account. If wait, we will call you to inform this transaction. So the call is getting sent. So this is some ID. Let's copy this ID. Maybe let's try another 500. So if we have same ID, then So it is using some token ID, so we cannot predict that. So what kind of confirm transfer? Let's try this. It's the token ID of that guy. Yes, that's it. So Smurf. That's it, guys. Yeah. So here is the thing. Let me explain you clearly. So it is passing a token ID. So this thing you have to copy when the first time you're logging into the page. What is that page? That their page. That is this page. This guy's this account number Mustang guy, his colleague. So if you can get that token ID and replay when you just log into your account and transfer amount some kind of. So you just have to do that. How much amount you can, let me explain you clearly. So if you want $500, initiate a $500 transfer from his account, that is from this guy account, and there will be a token that will be passed from the URL. It is a parameter, so you have to copy that separately. So when and now you log into your account, that is your demo account, and you just initiate some transfer. So there will be another token that will be passing, and if you can just all you have to do is copy paste it here, and the token will be taken from their one. So from their account, that is this Mustang guy account, and you can get the transfer amount. So but you have to enter recipient account as your account number. So from your account you have to transfer it to your account only. That's how it is done, and that's all I have for this video, guys. And this is Manindra Simhadri signing off. If you like this video, like it and share it. If you don't like it, where you know where the button is, and see you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Here we go.